you guys, welcome back to my channel, and I just want to stop and say I just reached over 100 subscribers. So I want to thank you guys so much for subscribing and liking and commenting and everything, and all to all my new subscribers. Hey you guys. And just again, you guys, I am still recovering from COVID. I'm still not feeling 100%. I'm just having a little bit of some problems, but it's okay. I have a new video uploaded. Well, you guys should check out my last video of my nail tutorial that I did, but this time we're going to do something a little bit different. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you guys can know every time I upload a new video. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so let's get started. I already put on my nail tips and prep my nails off camera. So you guys know, again, I'm gonna use my Ready to Take Off Peelable Base Coat by Unity. I think that's the name of it. Don't quote me on that. And I also use these non-C curved tips for my nails, and again, everything will be in the description down below on where I get my stuff. And don't forget to check out my Amazon storefront and my Shein board. Everything that I have, like, to this day is on there, period. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my MelodySusie nail drill, and I'm going to use a 180 sanding bit to file down the little corners, or just so it won't be so rough, basically. So sorry you guys, so I came back. I had to clip my nails down a little bit. Now, you're more than welcome to keep your nails long like that, by all means, but I decided not to. So I just used my nail clippers that I got from Amazon. I think it was Amazon, but you can honestly get them from Shein, eBay, AliExpress, wherever. I'm gonna file these down really quick. Now that my nails are drilled down the way that I want them, I'm going to take my Young Nail Swipe solution and take a non-length cotton swab, or cotton wipe, or what it was called. I'm just going to clean up all the dust, make sure I really clean it off. Now I'm going to go in with my base coat by Bruno, don't quote me on that, but it is a 3-in-1, so you use this as a base coat, nail glue, slip solution, but I mainly use this just for a base coat. So I'm gonna take some and I'm just put that all over my nail. Okay, so now that my nails are cured, I'm going to go ahead and start the PolyGel process. Now, I am using alcohol, and again, I use the 70% alcohol that you can get from Walmart, Walgreens, whatever, CVS, wherever. So I'm going to go in with the nail extension gel by Makartt in the color Siesta. Now I'm going to do French tips. I'm attempt to do French tips. Give me strength. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of that, and I'm going in with my extension gel brush. Okay, you guys, so I cured that, so I'm gonna put a little bit more on here just to make it thicker, and I kind of want that a little bit higher. Okay, you guys, so now I know they're looking a little bit crazy, so what I'm going to do is take my swipe, and I'm just going to take the tacky layer off of this one. And now I'm going to take my nail file, my 80 by 80 nail file, and just shape these just a little bit. So now that these are the shape that I want them to be, I was going to use my nail extension gel in the color of Stella Red. It's like this cute little glitter red, but I don't think I have enough for my full nails. So, excuse me. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to use my red nail glitter from Cuticle in the color just labeled Chunky Red. So I'm just going to use that. So before I do that, I'm going to go in back with my base coat, and I'm going to use two different things. So let me grab it and I'll be right back. Use this brush. I got this from Shein, and they call Beauty Galleria. I'm using the brush number, can y'all see that? Number 6. So I'm going in back with my my base coat, and I'm just gonna dip some of that in there. And the reason why I'm using this, so I can get into the corners without touching the y'all know what I'm trying to say. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Before I cure that, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my glitter. Oh, that's pretty. So I'm just going to take one of these and one of these, and I'm going to scoop some of this glitter out, and I'm going to sprinkle that all over the nail. Fantastic. just going to take my finger and press down on some of these. Now you can use a brush if you want to. It's not mandatory, but I'm just going to use a simple little brush just so I can put these glitters exactly where I want them to be. I want them flat, you guys. So after all the glitter is put on there, I did use some fine red glitter because I did not like the little spaces in the glitter. I wanted no little spots showing in the glitter. So this is how I look with the glitter. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to encapsulate these my nails with the nail extension gel by Makartt clear. So I'm going to take a lot of this and I'm just going to squeeze. So the struggle about to be real quick. One moment. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my brush again. I'm just going to dip that in there. And I'm just going to start pressing this down, you guys. Now that I encapsulated all of this, is how it came out. I already did my swipe and got off the calculator. Now I'm going to, you know, hand file my nails. Let me zoom you guys out just a little bit. So let's get started. Now I'm just going to show you guys an option of, you know, hand drilling your nails. And because this is pretty thick, I'm gonna go in and use a different type of drill. So I'm gonna grab it real quick, and a drill bit. I'm gonna grab it real quick and I'll be right back. All right, so I grabbed one of these metal nail drill just to get the bulkiness down a little bit quicker. So I won't be hand filing forever. Just to give you guys two different options. So I'm going to take this and put this on 9. And I have this going forward. Alright, you guys, I had to do like some surgery on these nails, y'all. So I'm going to take the buffer and I'm going to buff my nails out really good. And I'm taking the one by Maryton, 80 by 80. I'm going to buff these really good underneath there. Alright, you guys, so now I'm going to take some top coat by Makartt. Now, you can keep these matte by all means. It's a preference. It's whatever you want to do. So you can do matte, and then I'm going to actually take some of these cute little cherries. I'm debating if I want to do this or not, y'all. This is me debating and see if I want to put them like right there. Oh, it's kind of cute, huh? Okay, so let me put the top coat on. kind of want to go underneath the nail too, just to make sure it's glossed up. This is optional, you don't have to. It's something I prefer when working with glitter. Okay, you guys, so now what I'm going to do is put cherries all over my nails because I'm just extra like that. So I'm going to go in with the Makartt Rhinestone glue. Let me zoom you guys out just a little bit. I'm just going to put a dot right here. And I'm just going to take one of my little cherries. Kind of want to face it like that. So I'm just going to clear this really quick. Okay, you guys, so these are the finished nail look. I just put some cute little cherries all over my nails, which is optional. You don't have to do that. I'm just extra as AF. And then I'm also used some little red rhinestones, and I went in with my Makartt so Cuticle Oil all over my nails and stuff. So guys, you know, tell me what you think. Do you like it? Is it too much, or is it too much for y'all taste? Wait, I just came up with it. You know, I just do stuff that pops up in my head sometimes. And so tell me guys what you think. So I will be uploading another video, guys, just another freestyle or whatever pops up in my head that I want to do. So you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you guys can know every time I upload a video. Until next time, see you guys later. Bye.